Once upon a time in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young woman named May. She was known for her unwavering belief in the power of dreams, the strength of her faith, and her relentless pursuit of achievement. May had always dreamed of becoming an entrepreneur, and her journey was a testament to the motto she held dear: dream, believe, achieve. May's dream was to create a sanctuary of flavors, a restaurant that would serve the most exquisite dishes in her village. Her passion for cooking was unparalleled, and she knew that if she could share her culinary creations with the world, she would find true fulfillment. The village, however, had never seen such an endeavor, and many doubted her aspirations. Undeterred by skepticism, May began her journey. She worked tirelessly to hone her culinary skills, experimenting with new ingredients, and perfecting her recipes. She believed that with dedication and practice, she could transform her dream into reality. Day by day, her dishes became more exquisite, and her reputation as a skilled cook spread throughout the village. Yet, May's dream was far from complete. To open her restaurant, she needed the financial means to do so. She began saving every coin she earned, sometimes sacrificing personal luxuries. Her unwavering faith in her dream motivated her to keep going, even when it seemed like an impossible feat. As the years passed, May's commitment paid off. She managed to gather enough funds to lease a small space in the heart of the village. Her restaurant, Flavors of the Heart, opened its doors, and soon the intoxicating aroma of her dishes filled the streets. May's journey was a testament to her unshakable belief in herself and her dreams. She encountered countless challenges, from culinary failures to financial setbacks, but she persisted. Her restaurant became a hub for villagers and travelers alike, a place where the flavors of her heart touched the souls of all who dined there. People from far and wide flocked to Flavors of the Heart to savor May's creations. Her dream, once seen as unattainable, had blossomed into a thriving reality. May had lived the motto she held dear: dream, believe, achieve. She had shown her village that with dedication, faith, and an unyielding spirit, even the loftiest dreams could come true. May's journey reminded everyone that life was a canvas, and dreams were the colors with which to paint it. In her small village, a great truth was realized: dreams could be achieved with unwavering belief, hard work, and an unbreakable spirit.